I'm Ben.
I'm Matt.
Welcome to Members Bounce Golf.
Today we're at Point Sebago Golf Club in Casco, Maine. Going to be playing 18-hole stroke play. Hope you enjoy.
Like that. Yes. Oh, that's in the houses. That's gone. Oh, that's gonna be perfect.
Left side of the green.
That should be perfect. Oh, just trickled on. All right, I gotta put it.
Did what I wanted to, just didn't land it in the spot that I wanted to.
All right, so I came up a little short. I got a par putt here. I got about 20-ish feet or so. Pretty straight. Let me just put a good roll on it. Oh, you gotta hit the ball, Ben. I will mark that because I'll probably miss it.
All right, we got about 13 feet here. Chip was what I wanted to do. I just didn't land it where I wanted it to. Simple little birdie putt here. Looks like it's gonna break left to right, so just hopefully find it back at the top. It's under it. Got about 4 feet left. All right, got about 4 feet left here. Got a little knee knocker for par. It's gonna break right to the left.
Good par. I got a bogey putt here, 4 feet, 3 feet. I'm just gonna go straight at it. Good roll.
Might be a little short.
Oh, that rolled up nice.
Never mind.
It's on it.
Beautiful shot.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. All right, that would have been cool again. Second one in almost a week. There's my pitch mark, and that's where the ball landed. All right, Matty came up a little short, but he hit the center of the green. He's got about 30 feet. The flag's here. I'll tend the pin for him. Oh. No. All right, Matty's lining up his shot right now. He's got about 10 feet to clean up his par. It's gonna break from this side. Good cleanup, kid. Good par. Good.
Ben's got about 3 feet here for his birdie. It's going to break left to right slightly. Good finish. Good bird.
Back to even par. Right side fairway, right rough, baby. Somewhere down there.
That is not a good spot. That is gone.
I can't zoom in. You pulled it. All right.
That's not a miracle. It is safe, but it's not a miracle.
Oh, I blocked it to the right. Look at bouncing. Should be fine.
A little too far.
Yeah,
Not an ideal shot.
it stayed up. All right, here we are, right of the green. I tugged it a little bit off the fairway back there. Bit high, great distance, wrong direction. I got a little chip here. 25, 30 yards. There is a ridge that kind of slopes away, so I'm going to try to bump it into that and then have it roll down to the hole for a nice, easy par. Just trying to get the feel and
Alright guys, we got 18 feet here for my bogey. It kind of goes up a hill and then down a hill. It's a little left to right, so probably aim just a ball outside the left edge and hopefully roll it in for my bogey. That is heartbreaking. That is excruciating. That's a double.
tap and double. Pretty much the same putt as Matty here. I'm going to do the same thing, just pull it out to the left and have it break down to the right. This is for par. Right at the end. Alright, tap and bogeys aren't bad. And right at the end, right in front of the hole, it's snapped. But we're up there. Just left of it.
Coming back.
Oh, that's close. Nice and tight. Oh, don't block it. Alright, I think I'm on the green. I'm going to be long. I'm going to have a long putt at it. Alright, I got hung up in the fringe here. I am just off the green. Got a little chip. Just going to aim it probably 2 or 3 feet to the left. And it trickles down towards the middle.
Good shot.
Not bad. I got a par putt. All right, Matty's just on the fringe here. He's got about 15 feet or so for his birdie look. It's gonna break from right to left, our right to left right now. Or maybe it's gonna break our left to right. All right, you wanna tap that in for your par? I'll grab the pin. God, you can step on my line, I don't care. Silly.
All right, Benny's got like 2.5 feet here to finish up for his par. Great putt.
I thought I missed that. I thought I pulled it. Yep, it's our house. Pretty good. Beautiful. It's drying.
Too much.
I don't know how far that green goes. See what happens. Drawing on it.
Good job.
Short, but I got a putt. Alright, Matty threw his up a little high and the wind took it a little bit, but he's just off the green. He's got about 15 feet or so. He's gonna putt it. That rough ate it all up. Alright, mark it. We'll come back. Alright, I caught a piece of the green. I got about 30 feet up the hill. I'm gonna aim at that white flower thing up to the right of the hole. And just see if I can walk away with a 2-putt. Right of the flower.
Alright, wanna walk with me? I'll tap that in for par.
Jesus.
The sunflower seed in the way. Alright, another par.
All right, Matty's got about a little 4-footer here. It doesn't look like it's going to slide too much to clean up his par. Ooh, almost lipped out. Nice par, kid.
On the fairway.
He tucked it left. Let's bounce it across the car path. It might be, there might be a little thing over there.
Just right of the fence. Can see it.
Sounded like it hit the green.
Clipped it clean, so I pulled it.
I have no idea what happened with that.
Just disappeared.
I went a little long on my approach shot. I hit here. I got a little sauce that spun back on me, but I got a little uphill putt to a downhill putt. So I'm aiming this probably 2 feet out to the left. Try to get it close and just tap it in for a par. Oh no. All right, that one's gonna be tricky. Matty caught green in regulation from just off the cart path over on his second shot. He's at about 30-ish feet or so. It looks like he got some spin back too. The greens out here, because they're super wet, have been super receptive, so. That's a great roll. Great roll. Tap in pars are not a bad thing.
Not at all. Alright, Ben's got about like 6 feet here. Looks like it's gonna break our left to right. Good putt, good par.
And I might be in the stuff that I don't want to be in. Shoot! It's right off that dude's house. Nice swing, kid. I'm in the fairway. Nice shot. Hold it a little bit, but it should be. Oh, wow. Long and maybe in a bunker? Not too bad. Just left of the green. All right, I was saved up here in the rough from going down to the sand. I have about 25-yard shot to the flag. I'm gonna try to land this one on the front and trickle it. Looks like it breaks a little left to right. This is for par, so I need to get something. It's landed softly because of how wet it is. Ooh.
All right, we got about 15, 20 yards here. I did pull the approach shot, but we got this for birdie. Decent lie here. It's kind of downhill. Just going to try to land it maybe 8 yards short of the pin, and hopefully it rolls out.
Tapping pars are not a bad thing. You want to clean it up? We'll come right back. And we're back. Matty's got about a foot for his par. Good par, kid. All right, I got about 10, 11 feet here to clean up my bogey. I gotta play this about a cup out to the left. And he's gonna break this way towards the flag. Tough break, right at the end. That's a double. You pushed it out to the right. Bunker. Oh, wicked short. All right, Matty's here. He's got about 30 yards. We're doing rake in place because the sand is so compacted. Oh, he got out. It's tracking. All right, he's got probably 8 to 10 feet for his par. All right, we caught the green here. I have about 25, maybe 30 feet up the hill to a second tier. I'm pretty much going to aim between this leaf and Matty's ball marker up there and hopefully get it somewhat close. It is uphill, I got to remember that. So I got to hit it just a little bit harder. Get it up there. Again, tap-in pars are never a bad thing. As long as I make it anyway. I have been known to miss those. All right, Matty's got about 10 feet here to clean up his par. Oh, right at the end it snaps. All right. Got a bogey putt here. 3 feet-ish. Not a bad bogey. I went left and I'm going to be in someone's backyard. Yep, that house. Oh, you went up the right side? We'll find it. It might be blocked out on the second shot, but we'll find it. Oh, it didn't draw. That one's going to be in the woods. Oh, right on the line. I can see it. It's rolling. Right on the line. All right, you got up to the fairway. Nice shot. Front of the green, not too bad. Bite. We'll go find out how that went. All right, Matty landed here on the front of the green. He's got about a 40-footer up the hill. He's got to put a really good roll on this one just to get it close. Great ball. Tap-in bogeys are not terrible either, especially when you have to punch out through the trees.
All right, Ben's got about 15 feet here for his par. Said he's aiming 2 cups out to our right side. Just under it. Tap-in bogeys.